Hi friends, welcome to our channel Cricket Stuff. With the Indian Premier League 2020 just days away from now, all the franchises may be looking for a variety of team combinations to succeed in the tournament. The opening spot in T20 cricket is a very important position and all the team managements will be thinking to send their best to make use of the first 6 overs when the field restrictions will be in place. Now, let's look at 5 batsmen who can be considered to open the batting for their respective teams in IPL 2020. Number 1. Abdul Samad, Sunrisers Hyderabad. The 18-year-old Jammu Kashmir right-handed sensational batsman was brought by Sunrisers Hyderabad for his base price of 20 lakh rupees in the IPL 2020 auction. Samad's inclusion in the squad was expected as he was shortlisted in the Sunrisers trials last year. Samad is an explosive batsman who has the ability to clear the park with his bold hitting. Although SRH bought him to play as the finisher role in the team, keeping his 6 hitting capability in the mind, they can even send him as the opener along with David Warner to increase the scoring rate in the first 6 overs. Samad was brought to live his dream about playing with IPL stars like Warner, Kane Williamson and Bhuvneshwar Kumar by his side is currently with the team in UAE and expected to have some games under his belt in the coming IPL. Number 2. Marcus Stoinis. The Australian all-rounder is all set to represent the Delhi Capitals in the approaching IPL. He was brought for 4.8 crores by DC due to his ability of going big in death overs with the bat. He had excellent outings in the BBL last year as he was his team's top scorer with 533 runs at an impressive strike rate of over 130 and is ready to continue his form in IPL. Although DC have plenty of opening options this year in the form of Shikhar Dhawan, Ajinkya Rahane and Prithvi Shaw, it's never a bad choice to send him at the top, asking him to score as many runs as possible. Although Marcus never opened in professional cricket, it will be interesting to see how he adapts to that slot if he asked to open. Stoinis has played a total of 29 matches in his IPL career, scoring 473 runs at an average of 31.53 with a strike close to 130. He also took 15 wickets in the league so far. Currently serving his national team, Marcus is likely to join the DC camp before the start of IPL. Number 3. Glenn Maxwell, Kings 11 Punjab. Glenn Maxwell will be looking forward to join his former team Kings 11 Punjab as the bought is for a whopping 10.75 crores in IPL 2020 auction last year. Maxwell's best performance in IPL so far came in 2014 when he scored 552 runs in a strike rate of 187.75 playing for the Punjab-based franchise. Maxwell could be a very good choice to open the innings on any given day, considering his destructive skills batting with which he can clear the ropes with ease. The Victorian got his highest T20 score while opening for his national team back in 2016 when he scored an unbeaten 145 of 65 balls, which is still the second highest individual score in an international T20 internationals. Maxwell is the highest run getter in IPL in UAE conditions and Kings 11 Punjab experienced 100% win ratio in the matches they played in the Gulf country. Till now, he has played 69 matches in IPL, scoring 1397 runs at strike rate of 161.13. He also has 16 wickets to his name. Currently playing to Australia, Glenn is expected to join his team on 18th. Number 4. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers is undoubtedly one of the most loved foreign cricketers in India. He is a dangerous batsman when he is in full swing and can take away the game from the opponents in a very short span of time. As RCB's head coach Simon Katich told that the team's opening combination is a secret and will be a surprise package, we can expect ABD padding up and opening the batting for RCB considering the depth in batting lineup. ABD opening the innings in ODIs earlier for his national side and has a reasonable record to his name at that slot. Although his numbers were far better while playing in the middle order, he can be a good choice to open the innings considering his technique and ease to clear the ground. So far, he played 154 IPL matches, scoring 4,395 runs at an average of 39.95 and with an excellent strike rate of 151.23. ABD is currently training with Bangalore-based franchise in UAE and is expected to play a vital role in bringing the trophy home for the first time. Number 5. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Words won't be enough to describe the greatness of MS Dhoni, who is true ambassador of gentleman's game. He recently retired from the international cricket and it goes without saying that he is at the fag end of his cricket career. So it will be a treat for his fans to see him opening the innings for CSK and playing some huge innings in the top order. Dhoni in the past had opened the batting for India twice. In the first game, he managed only 2 runs. But when he opened the innings with Virendra Sehwag against England back in 2006, Dhoni scored a blistering 96, being a lone warrior when the other batters failed. After Suresh Raina left the team, the top order of CSK is looking a bit unsettled, and Dhoni can go up the batting order if needed. The captain Cool has played 190 matches in IPL so far and scored 4,432 runs at an average of 42.2 and with a strike rate of 137.85. He also took 98 catches and effected 38 stumpings with his unorthodox keeping skills. Currently, Dhoni is looking in a great touch and will be eager for a healthy stint. That's all, friends. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you.